So over here, you can see that I got some photos right here, just like this. And let's say I made some changes over here to the photo. So you can see that I have this photo right here. Let me just go ahead right here and make a few development changes. So I'm going to go to the develop tab, change around the temperature. Let's say, for example, change around the exposure, and this is what you have. And let's say what I want to do is I want to edit this further in Photoshop now. In that case, what you can do is you can go around over here onto photo, and then you can see that I have an option right here to actually go to edit in. And here you can see that edit in Photoshop is an option. So if I were to go ahead and then select this, then you can edit out a copy and edit with original, or edit a copy with Lightroom adjustments. So I'm going to edit the copy with Lightroom adjustments because I already made the adjustment here. So if I were to go ahead and click on edit now what happens is that Photoshop application will load up. So you can see that it is loading up right there, just like that. And in a while, what will happen is that with the changes that I made in Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop Lightroom, it'll now load that up into Photoshop. So you can see that it is loading right here. And it is reading the information, and it says use embedded profile. So let's just go ahead, and then you can see that it loads up with the settings that I made in Adobe Lightroom, and you can further now continue editing out the photo from here as you need. So this is how you can go ahead and then edit this out in Adobe Photoshop right here, just like this. You can go ahead and make further changes as you like, and then edit it out. And that is how you can utilize the edit in Photoshop option inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.